Well, hey guys, fall is here. Look at all these leaves, Josh.
Yep.
Hey, fall's arrived to Southern Oregon, and Raptor Pack is doing something brand new today.
Yes.
What are we gonna be doing?
We're on a bike.
We're getting out on the bike. Hey, this is our first moto vlog we've tried. So we've done RVing videos. Now we're gonna get on the bike. We're gonna get this cover off, and we're gonna take you on a little ride around Josephine County. Show them the beautiful changing of the colors here in Southern Oregon. And we're gonna let Mark continue to blow. If you hear that blower in the background, he's blowing leaves, but we're going riding.
Yes.
So let's get this cover off the bike, hang tight, and let's go riding. We're going to take a quick break here Bubba J and I are gonna drive you through and let you check out Griffin Park Campground. Griffin Park is one of the 2 larger campgrounds in Josephine County. The other one being Indian Mary, which is also on the Rogue River. This park here in the summertime, good luck coming in and just trying to find a site. Very popular. As you can see off to the right there, every site has tent sites. There's a cab over camper. Beautiful park as you drive through. Off to the right of us is the river. So these sites down here kind of get popular because you got the big grass area over there to go down, play games and whatever you have. But Griffin Park, they got 14 full hookup sites. That's electric, water, and sewer. I believe it's 30 amp. Hey, there's a nice Moto camping tent. Just that. They got 4 tent sites where there's water available. One of them being off to the left here. And we're being welcomed by the local 4-legged canine. It's real pretty as you drive through. There is one yurt. If you don't have a tent or an RV, you want to come stay in the yurts. The yurts are really cool. We're going to take you through Whitehorse Campground, where we got our start as camp hosts here in Josephine County. But overnight camping, I'm going to take you down to the river on the gravel bar. It is allowed on Memorial Day weekend and Labor Day weekend, and that's really cool. You can camp down on the gravel bar right next to the river. There's the showers and bathroom off to the left there. And coming up, you will see the camp host. This park has had this camp host for quite a while. They're great people. They don't get paid anything. When we were a camp host for the county, you pretty much live there for free. And as a couple, you work 20 hours a week, 4 hours each a day. And that's Griffin Park Campground. So we're going to hang a left right here and take you down to the gravel bar area. During salmon season, steelhead season, the gravel lot to our right is packed with trucks and trailers for the boats. And off to the left there, you can see the huge play area for day use. So, hey, hopefully you enjoyed the campground. We'll get back to our ride.
Well, we hope you enjoyed some of the trip. This is Griffin Park. Griffin Park is one of Josephine County's nicer campgrounds. It's located out here on Riverbanks Road. You having fun, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what we do when we want to relax, huh?
Yeah.
So down here also the Rogue River. If you're going to come out and want to go salmon fishing, this is where you put in. A lot of great fishing out here. Absolutely beautiful day on November 4th. So Griffin Park, lots to do out here. The camping, they got full hookups for RVs, tents, and looks like the playground is shut down. So I'd like to introduce you to our beautiful 2019. This is the BMW Bagger. A couple things that we've added onto it. We've got the 19-inch 7 Jurek windshield. The stock windshield that comes on these bikes is just too short. The wind was just battering me going down the highway. The other thing we have from Wunderlich is the backrest for Josh. Got to have a backrest, right? Mm-hmm. And our cargo rack. The bike is just awesome. Traded in, well, no, I didn't trade. Sold my 2010 Harley Ultra Limited, and I tell you what, it was the best sell I ever made. This is a fun bike, huh?
Yeah.
So, and I don't ride unless Bubba J is on the back.
Yeah.
So, you want to get back to riding?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Let's get back out there and ride. It's almost Thanksgiving. And there's our turkey. Remember when we worked out here? We are now in Whitehorse County Campground. In 2015, we were the camp host here. Yeah, this is what got us into camp hosting here in Josephine County. Memories. We're going to take you a little drive through and let you check out Whitehorse Campground. Dog. Gonna bite our tire. That's funny.
there you go, guys. Our first moto vlog in the books. Hey, Bubba J was with me on this entire ride. Didn't get a whole lot of footage of him because he's kicking back behind me, relaxing. We are back home at River Park RV Resort. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, how about if you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, click that little bell, and we really are going to try and put out a lot more videos now, since we're not traveling in the RV, but we're definitely putting a lot of miles on the bike. So thank you for going on this musical journey with us through Josephine County. The changing of the colors are absolutely gorgeous, and there's home. There is the Raptor pack. So hey guys, have an awesome day. And like we say in the Raptor pack, travel more, stress less. And until our next video, see ya.